Good morning, all of you. Students, we have started Chapter 8 Respecting Regional Differences, and in our last video, we learned the importance of respecting our diverse culture. Today, we will explore and learn about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is the map of Andaman and Nicobar. These islands are situated in Bay of Bengal and are a group of 572 islands. This is Andaman and this is Nicobar. Port Blair is the capital. Out of 572 islands, only 38 islands are inhabited by 6 groups of tribals: the Great Andamanese, the Jarwas, the Sentinelese, the Ongs, the Nicobaris and the Shomphens. And even today, their life is similar to the life of early man. They live close to nature, away from the luxuries of modern day living. Now we will see the art and architecture of these islands. The tribal people here used to live in caves and huts in olden times. During the British rule, some buildings were constructed here. The cellular jail, also known as Kala Pani, is the most well-known building, as many freedom fighters were jailed here. It was built in 1906 AD. Now come to the crafts of the islanders. They make palm mats, wooden show pieces, cane and bamboo wall hangings. See, students, the picture of cellular jail. One more picture is here. This is Marina Park. Actually, this is Marina Park and Aquarium. It is a beautiful little establishment made to educate people about the marine ecosystem. Marine means sea. Next is food habits. As we have already studied that the natives here are tribals, so in earlier times they were hunters. So there is no food speciality of this island. But now seafood is quite popular here, like fish, prawns, crabs, lobsters, etc. With the development of means of transport and communication, the people here have come in touch with rest of India, and almost every Indian food item can be found here, like North Indian dishes and Bengali dishes. They are familiar with South Indian food. Their main food is rice. They grow many crops like pulses, oilseeds, vegetables, coconut, areca nut. Areca nut means betel nut, supari, mango, sapota. Sapota is the name of a fruit which is commonly known as chiku. Orange, banana, papaya, pineapple and cashew. Spices like pepper, cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon form important ingredient of the food of the islands. Now come to the dress. Like early man, the tribals also did not wear clothes. The Sentinelese tribe does not wear clothes even now. The Shomphens use clothes only below their waist, but many tribals have now started wearing clothes as they are coming in touch with the rest of the country. So now their life is being affected with the culture of the rest of the country. And the Jarawa like to decorate themselves with a lot of jewelry. Their necklaces, arm and waist bands are made of shells and bark of trees. Now, the religion of these islands. So, the religion of Andaman and Nicobar Island is called animism. So, the followers of animism believe in souls, ghosts and spirits. The tribals believe that in earlier times their deity Paluga resided at the highest mountain peak of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Saddle Peak. So the Saddle Peak is the highest mountain peak of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And now they believe that their deity lives higher up in the sky. Okay. And now many people follow other religion also, like Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism and Jainism. Now dance and music. Music and dance is an important part of tribal life. So, the tribals of Andaman and Nicobar, they celebrate almost all the festivals which are celebrated in the rest of the country. Okay, and their tribal dance is called Nicobari dance. Okay, and this dance can be seen during the Ossuary feast, commonly known as the Pig Festival. See, the tribals, they are dancing, and this dance is known as Nicobari dance. The Andamanese are fond of their traditional music. The dancers move gracefully to the music and songs of the Ong tribe. Now languages. The common languages here are Hindi and English. And now many people also speak Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Punjabi, Marathi, Kannada, Odia, Gujarati and Karen. So Karen language has a Burmese script and alphabets. Burmese, modern day Myanmar. Okay. And the tribals have their own dialects. Dialects means a language which is spoken in a particular area, that is called dialect. Only the Nicobarese dialect has a script of its own, and out of their local languages which they speak, only Nicobari dialects can be written. Okay. Now see in this box, this is an important information. Do you know? The harmonious blend of different religions, languages and ethnic groups has made the Andaman and Nicobar Islands famous as Mini India. As these islands are situated in Bay of Bengal, several kilometers away from the main country, and now today you can find almost every people from each and every state of India. So therefore, now these islands are called Mini India. So students, we have completed reading and explanation of the second part of the chapter, and we came to know about many things about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So we will study about Rajasthan in our next video. So till then, thank you.